puto, what's up? What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're going to be taking a POV drive in the K20, 20th hole, 25, 20 is 4 plus 40 is 98. Integra. I want to thank the homie Sean again for lending me his ECU until mine forwards in the mail. But we have an ECU, we can drive the car, make some content with the Integra, and that's what we're going to do for today's video. I'm going to get in the car, POV drive, and tell you, was it worth spending the money to go 24/20? Some traffic today. Whamp, whamp, whamp. Magnificent question. Zosh, bro, was going 24/20 worth it? Is it worth the extra little horsepower? Is it worth the money buying a K20 A2 or Z1 or Z3 top unit on my 24 bottom? And the answer to that, well, it varies, because honestly, 500 and it honestly depends on what you're going for. Honestly, like, if money's no issue, nah. But if you have a full 24 already and you're thinking about going 24/20 stock, I don't think it would be worth it, to be honest, because I mean, I gained 10 horsepower, right? The car feels totally different, and 10 horsepower is a lot. It's the difference between 190 and 200. You know what I mean? It's a big difference. So, you know, give or take, it really depends, man. Like, am I satisfied with my 250 horsepower? You goddamn right. I haven't even drove the car fully yet to really enjoy the car and all its powerful glory. For having a little bit of seat time with this setup, it's worth it, man. Like, in my opinion. The goal I have with this car, as many of you guys know, is to like enter grid life with it, man. Like, as it is right now, like power wise, I'm fine until I like go supercharger or something. She got some pep in its step. Now, if you have a full K20 swap and you think about going 24/20, it's definitely worth it. The torque that the 24s produce, it's amazing. Why wouldn't you want to go 24/20? But if you already have a full 24 and you think about like going 24/20 for like a few extra revvings, then I mean, I personally wouldn't say it's worth to do it, but oh well. I mean, it's your money. Do whatever though you want to do, bro. I support you no matter what. But there is a big difference, man. Like, the 24/20 difference is, bro, I've been on a full 24 for like 2 years. I K-swapped my car in 2018. Yeah, I first went K-Series in 2018, so I've been full K24 ever since I've been K-Series for 2 years. And going from a 24 to a 24/20, like, the power band is totally different. Like, like, I hate to say it's not worth the extra money, because like, in order to buy a K-Series head, if you already don't have a K20 car already, it's gonna cost you like upwards of like 600 bucks, man, for a stock Z1 or an A2 or a Z3. So it's like spending $600 plus head gasket plus ARP head studs, because that's the right way to do it. You're looking at like $800 to almost $1,000, man. And that's not even with cams or springs or retainers if you want to build it. That's just stock. So what, you throwing $1,000 at 10 extra horsepower, maybe 15 depending on your full bolt-on setup? I don't know, bro. I mean, I don't know, dog. If you got the bread to do it, by all means, full send, bro. By all means, full send. Luckily for me, I picked up my K28-2 head with ARP head studs for $550 from a fellow YouTuber, my big dog, my main man's, Mark from Honda Street Garage. What the f? Good job. Oh, why do you downshift so much, bro? Cause it sounds cool, bro. It sounds cool as fuck. You feel me? Shit sounds baller, mate. Oh man, hopefully I can get some pulls in. I got my blue headlights on too. Ooh. It's really up to you, man. Like, honestly, if somebody were to tell me, yo, Zosh, would you go full 24 or 2420? I'd be like, I'd go 2420 if you can source out the parts for cheap. Well, the top unit for cheap. If you can't, stay full 24. You're not missing much. Just throw a Type S oil pump in the 24 block and have fun, man. Just from my experience, I can't speak for everyone. I can only speak from my experience. The 2420, like, the car feels more linear. Like, it feels like it has, I can't explain it. Like, it feels like it's lighter. Like, it's more light on its feet. You feel me? Like, it's weird. The 24 is like nothing but torque. Like, that bitch is torque. The 2420 got like that linear torque. Like, it got torque because of 24, but it got like that fast power band to get up to the RPMs faster. But yeah, I'm trying to do some pulls for y'all to show y'all, you know, some good revvings, man. But traffic. Pulled up to Fred's house, see what Fred got going on.
Don't think about it too much. Yeah, so this is what we got going on. Let me give Percy some of my content since I steal his shit.
All the time, but it's okay, bro.
I don't never steal this man content. But anyways, got the motor out, got the hole in the block still. JB weld ain't work. Damn. Got a K24A2 here and a Z3. Still indecisive of what I'm gonna do. I'm actually on my way to Kissimmee to go pick up a full A2 swap. I might just slap that in there for now and build a motor on the side, or I might just
that would make sense.
I might just full send it and just build everything. Sure. I will go 24, but the 24s make too much torque, and I don't want to clean off the gear on the gearbox.
2420 is a perfect all motor car.
Yeah, all motor. But the 20 blocks, the 20 sleeves hold up to about 900. 24 is about 7. I am trying to go for like 900 to 1,000 horsepower, and then I'm gonna down tune it to around 6 on the street, and I'm gonna also do the gearbox, probably PPG. First through fourth. Won't throw 6 again. So that's what we got going on. Give Percy some give Percy like 3 minutes. Give Percy like 3 minutes worth of content.
I ain't got no views, bro.
You feel me? But comes with the game. You win some, you lose some. If this shit blow up again, I'm buying the Skyline. I'm done with the Honda shit.
You ain't gonna never sell this car. Shut your ass up.
Yeah, I probably won't. But I'm still buying the Skyline though.
I believe it too. You gonna make it happen.
Yeah. That's my dream car, bro. When I was a little baby.
Just buy me an Evo, bro. Nah, you won't.
I'm gonna clean you on my taxes, Viv, for all the damn Kool-Aid you drunk. Me plug myself. I just read up on some shirts. egkcoop.com. He gonna leave the link in the description.
You bought shirts for real?
Yeah.
That boy rich. The scariest thing about doing pulls in this setup is the like my rev limiter's at 80s. I don't even know where it's at. It's scary for sure. Like I don't even know where my rev limiter is at, bro. Like, I don't know where I'm going, playboy. conclusion of everything,